Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
Ready, Freddy?
No.
We were just spinning too.
Holy f***.
road right here. There's nothing around. This is the first time I'm ever driven on this road.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Bunch of the bullets faster.
Right.
Want to race?
Yeah, we'll race.
We'll race you.
Look at that horse. Beautiful. That's my new test road right there, though. That one, it's freaking wide, super wide. There's no houses. There's no cross streets. It's just go.
Yeah.
I like that. I've been scoping that road out. Like, man, I wonder what that's like. You know, where it goes or what it's like. And I'm glad I went down that road, because before actually when I rode with Bruce, I just did it right there on 155th, and it was that gravel, that like loose kind of gravel stuff they stuck down on there. It freaking. We were spinning. We were spinning there too, though. You can feel it.
It's badass. You gotta get the bullet.
Yeah. You gotta get there.
Start racing.
It's fun. Your adrenaline's
But you
just.
can't anymore.
Yeah. Your adrenaline's just freaking going out, going crazy.
It's fun though.
Yeah. I love the way that thing sounds, though.
That's fucking crazy.
That's like when we first, like when Dad went for a ride and stuff like that. You see why Dad acted the way he did, because he was not expecting it at all. And then, but there's like, that's beautiful. Those things are so cute.
It was fluffy. That one was fluffy and it had brown
I saw
spots.
that. I'd love to have fluffy cows or cattle that are fluffy like that. It's fucking cool. But there's like, I didn't even know what to say. You know, it's like, I think it flipped my fucking hat back. It was not even on like it was. My hat was like this. It's great now, though. I mean, it's 182 degrees. We just made like, I don't know how many pulls that was, but a decent amount. I think Brooke needs to go for a ride. Yeah, she'll probably
That's what
shit
I
her
was
pants. I think we should go tomorrow. Don't you think so?
Yeah.
Like earlier in the day.
Yeah.
Because it,
That's what I was gonna say. I'd like for you to take Brooke on where we just went. I can't fucking talk.
yeah, I can't either.
I'd like for you to take Brooke, but I don't want to go back over there, especially
Yeah.
if we miss him.
Yeah, we'll go tomorrow. But that, I'm not gonna, I don't think we should show her the video of you right now. That way she has like no idea what to
I
expect.
want to see it.
I know we want, I want to see
wasn't
it.
expecting that. I knew it was gonna be fast, but I thought I was gonna be able to keep a straight face
And like make me
I'm
try to look
surprised-
stupid.
Yeah, I'm surprised that.
Yeah.
I'm surprised that Trenton held it together so good then. 'Cause
Well,
I mean, I could tell that he was like,
when we went for a ride, I did it pole beforehand, like kind of. So he kind of felt it. And then but I think it spun with Trenton the worst. But even if it spun pretty close to as bad when me and you did it. When we rode with Dad,
it was spinning pretty bad.
it didn't spin. So imagine, when it's hooked up, how crazy that is.
Yeah.
So anyway, this is Kit Kat. This is my beautiful fiance. We have 2 children together, and this is the first time her riding in the car. What's the fastest thing you've probably been in? And is maybe my Camaro.
It's my first time riding in the car.
Well, okay. So when we had this car, back when it had the stock engine in it, she was pregnant. So she's used to being sick inside the car, and you know, it wasn't that fast. It just had a little bit of power, but other than that, I think the fastest thing she's ridden in is either my Camaro. I had a cammed LS1 Camaro, or like a Coyote Mustang. So it was definitely a big change. How did you like it?
It's fucking crazy.
Yeah.
Scary. They're not allowed to go on the track anymore.
Oh God. All right, well, we're gonna get out of this hot ass car, this sweat box, but we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.